If videos on X keep looking blurry or low quality, don't worry. There are a couple of settings that can usually fix it in less than a minute. Let me show you what to change. First, open the X app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. From the side menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down a little and open Accessibility, Display, and Languages. After that, tap on Data Usage. This is where X controls how videos load on your account. The first thing you want to check is Data Saver. If Data Saver is turned on, X lowers the quality of videos automatically to save internet data, which is usually why videos look blurry. So go ahead and turn Data Saver off. Now tap on High Quality Video. Here, choose either on cellular or Wi-Fi if you want videos to always load in the best quality possible. If you only want high quality while connected to Wi-Fi, you can choose that option instead to save mobile data. Also keep in mind, your internet connection matters a lot here. If your network is slow or unstable, X may still lower the video quality automatically so the video can load faster without buffering. So for the best results, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile network. And that's pretty much it. After changing these settings, videos on X should start loading much clearer and sharper.